Hello everyone, in this video columns by dividing the cell values, uh, let's start with this. You can see ABC 1 2 3 D E F 4 5 6 GHI. Now what you want is to split these values into multiple columns, say 2 columns or 3 columns based on certain criteria. One of the most easiest and simplest way is to just select all the columns, go to data, just select text to columns. Now just click next, delimit it, select it, click space since you want to delimit by space into ABC and 1 2 3. Just click next and finish. Now you can see both cells are delimited. The cell is delimited into multiple cells. ABC is separated by 1 2 3. Now suppose there is a situation which require you to use the formula, because sometimes you can't use delimitations or text to columns tools. Sometimes the situation such as financial modeling or data analysis require you to apply the formula. We have a simple and easy formula to use that as well. For example, suppose is equals to left. The left function is used for to extract the left part of the cell, and right function is used to extract the right part of the cell. So what we are going to do is to select the cell name, comma, let's use another function called find. Now you can use space. Sometimes there is a full stop or semicolon or any other criteria, you can select them instead of space, comma, just click cell value again, comma 1 minus 1. This is the syntax and this is the formula to just extract the left part before the space. Just click enter, just press Ctrl D to apply to all the values, and you can see left part is extracted. Now what we need to do is to extract this right part in a similar way. What we are going to do is to select right, select the cell value, let's use another formula in a similar way, find space in inverted commas, select the cell value again. Now this time we won't be adding 1, it's minus 1. Minus 1. Let's just copy and paste formula by pressing Ctrl D. Now you can see these values is split into 2 columns. Now suppose we had comma instead of space, then it should show values unless you apply comma here and comma here. I hope this video helps, and I'm sure you must be able to use this formula. There can be advanced formula, for example, if there are more than one spaces or there are multiple spaces or multiple commas in between two characters and you want to split into multiple columns, just ask me and I will explain the same in another video. Thank you so much for your time.